Each relay has three high voltage terminals, which you can see right here on the left side, normally closed, common and normally open. All of these terminals connect to the device you want to control using the relay. Other side of the relay has three low voltage pins, which are ground, 5 voltage VCC and signal, which is also called the input pin. It connects to the Arduino. Inside the relay, there is a 120 to 240 volt switch that's connected to an electromagnet. When the relay receives a high signal from the Arduino, the electromagnet here inside of the relay becomes charged and moves the contacts of the switch open or closed. The relay has two different types of electrical contacts inside. It can either be normally open or it can have the normally closed configuration. The one we will use will depend on whether we want the 5 voltage signal to turn the switch on or turn the switch off. The 120 to 240 volt supply current enters the relay at the common terminal right here in both of these configurations. To use the normally open contacts, we will use normally open terminal. To use the normally closed contacts, we will use the normally closed terminal. So first we will discuss the normally open configuration. In this configuration, when the relay receives the high signal from the Arduino, the 120 to 240 voltage switch closes and allows current to flow from the common terminal to normally open terminal. In this configuration, a high signal turns on the relay while low signal deactivates the relay and stops the current. So this one here is our normally closed configuration. In this configuration, a high signal opens the switch and interrupts the 120 to 240 volt current. A low signal from the Arduino closes the switch and allows current to flow from the common terminal right here to the normally closed terminal. Therefore, if we want the high signal to turn off the current supply, we will use the normally closed terminal. So these are the two configurations of our relay. But for all of our projects in this course, we will use the normally open configuration.